Yeah, I think we are still talking, and COVID-19 is real, and we'll definitely want to protect our people. Anything that will affect the lives of our people negatively, we'll definitely fight it. But I want to just assure us that what is key is that the protocol will be observed, and we are still having discussion on issue of spectators. Whatever we agree on, definitely will communicate to the people. But what I will assure us is that either way it goes, don't forget that EDO has been setting the pace, and we definitely want to set a new pace as far as sports is concerned in a pandemic era. That I want to assure you. And so the discussion is on. The minister and I have started discussion, and obviously we will not discuss in isolation of the presidential task force. Don't forget that when that task force resumed its office, we all had our protocols, and even the presidential task force agreed that states should also, in line with their own situation, be able to manage themselves. So we will weigh all options, but what is critical is that we will not break the rules. We must maintain national and international standard.